Children, open page number 10 of your math course book. 10. Open page number 10 of your math course book, children. Open page number 10, write date and classwork. Yes, children, this is subtraction and addition fact. You have to open page number 10 of your math course book. Write date and classwork there. Write date and classwork. Okay, so children, I'll be sharing my screen with you all now. Fine. Okay, so children, you all know how to write addition fact. We did this in theme 1. So now we will learn how to write subtraction fact also, or you can say subtraction statements. Okay. So now see here, children. Look here. 3 numbers are given here in your first bit. You all can see 3 numbers are there, 111, then 62, and third number is 173. 173, children. So now remember this thing, whenever we are writing addition fact for any number, addition facts for any number, what we are doing, we are writing the biggest number after equal to sign. What we are doing, we are writing the biggest number after equal to sign. Okay, so now if you will look at your first bit, which is the biggest number, 3 numbers are there, 111, 62, and 173. So now you have to tell which is the biggest number, here, and we will write that biggest number after equal to sign. How we will write? Now see here. Hanvika, you tell me which is the biggest number among these 3 numbers.
Ma'am, in first one.
Yeah. Tell me biggest number.
111.
No. See properly, Hanvika.
173.
Yes. So see here, children, here biggest number is 173. And what I told you, that whenever we are writing addition fact, we are writing the biggest number after equal to sign. And here biggest number is 173. So now what we have to do is, 2 numbers are left now. 2 numbers are left here, that is 111 and 62. So what we will do, we will write these 2 numbers with plus sign. Okay, how we will write? See here. This is 111 and 62. So how we will write here? See here, Pathan, look here, please. So, children, we will write here 111 plus 62 equal to 173. Okay, so what we did, children? See here. I wrote these first 2 numbers. Okay. 173 is the biggest number. So what we did, we wrote that number after equal to sign, and only 2 numbers are left there, 111 and 62. So what we did, we put plus sign. We will put plus sign between this 111 and 62. Okay. Yes. Lohit, you tell me next addition statement. How we did in theme 1. Tell me next addition statement. What we will do now? Yes, Lohit? We will change the numbers. We will change the position of those two numbers. Yes, Lohit, tell me which two numbers we will write now. Quickly, I'm waiting. See here, I told you that this biggest number we always write after equal to sign. So first we wrote 111 plus 62. So here we will interchange position of.
62 plus 111.
Very good. So we will interchange their position. So here first we will write 62, then plus 111 equal to 100.
173.
Very good. So it's correct. Very good, Lohit. So we will just interchange their position. What we will do, children? We will just interchange their position. Okay. So this is 62 plus 111 equal to 173. Okay. So this is how we will write. Now next come to subtraction statement. Now children, this is new for you all. Whenever you have to write subtraction statement for any number or subtraction fact, how you will write? See here. You will write the biggest number first. What I said, whenever we are writing subtraction facts for any numbers, what we will do, we will write the biggest number first. We will write the biggest number first. So what is the biggest number here? Supratik, what is the biggest number in first bit? Biggest number. Yeah, Supratik.
173.
173. Right? Very good. So what we will do, children, I said we will write the biggest number first. So here we will write 173. Okay, we will write the biggest number first. And since this is a subtraction fact, we will put minus sign after the biggest number. Okay? Children, listen. What I did, while writing subtraction fact, always remember this thing. We will write the biggest number first, and after writing that biggest number, we will put minus sign. Okay? In next line also we will do this. Again, we will write here 173. Okay, I'm writing here 173 in the next line also, and I'm putting minus sign after that number. Okay. Now after this, what we have to do? We will write these two numbers now. Okay, we can write here 111 first, or we can write here 62 first. It's our choice. So Pratik, please pay attention. So suppose we are writing 111 now. So if you are writing 111 after minus sign, children, see here. If you are writing 111 after minus sign, what you will do? You will put here equal to sign. And which number is left now? 62 is left. So what you will do? That number you will write after this equal to sign. Okay. That number you will write after this equal to sign. Okay, children. Now see here, in first one you wrote 111 after minus sign. So in next one, what you will write? You will write here 62. Just interchange position of 111 and 62. So here you are writing minus 62. So now you will put here equal to sign. And after this equal to sign, which number is left now, children? 111 is left. So you will write here 111 after equal to sign. Okay? Okay, children? So this is how you are going to write the subtraction fact and addition fact. Shrivas, you tell me in bit B, which is the biggest number? Shrivas.
Ma'am, bit B.
In bit B, which number is the biggest?
Ma'am, biggest.
Tell me, I'm waiting.
In bit B, ma'am.
Shrivas, you are not at all audible. Please tell me which number is the biggest number here in bit B.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Tell me. Numbers are 145, 160 and 305. Now tell me which number is the biggest. Shreyasan, you tell. Yes, I'm waiting. No. Okay, I'll ask someone else. Ashwita, unmute yourself and tell me which is the biggest number in bit B. Tell me the biggest number. Yes, Ashwita, tell first. Which is the biggest number? 145, 100.
Ma'am, 305.
Very good. 305 is the biggest number, children. So again, whenever we are writing addition fact, what we are doing? We are writing the biggest number after equal to sign. After equal to sign. So what we will do here? You will, sorry. Yes, children. So what we will do? We will write this 305 after equal to sign and remaining numbers. Two numbers are left now, 145 and 160, and we will write these two numbers with plus sign. We will write these two numbers with plus sign here. So here, see children, how we will write? We will write here 145 and plus 160 equal to, and I told you that we will write biggest number in the last. So biggest number is 305 here. So after equal to, we will write here 305. Okay, children? Yes. So now we will write the next addition statement. And in next addition statement, what we will do? We will just change their position. We will just change position of the number with plus sign. So numbers were 145 and 160. So we will just change their position. So what we will do? We will write 160 first. We will write here 160 plus 145 equal to 305. 305 children, okay? And we won't be able to complete this today. So we will continue this same subtraction and addition fact tomorrow also. Yes, Akshat, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am.
What, Akshat? Other children, they are able to see what I'm sharing on my screen. Please check your network.
Okay, ma'am.